Okay, so it should be coming up here. Hopefully you see my iPad screen. And I've just gone into the Google Classroom app on my iPad, and I've gone into a class that Mr. Hicks is teaching, and this is an online play classroom. And he's done 2 assignments in here. So the first assignment that he posted here, this new assignment PDF assignment example, is just he did an assignment, just regular assignment in Google Classroom, and attached a PDF for me to work on and edit. The other one he did, he used the Kami assignment capability, which for students who are on Google Chromebooks, laptops, and desktops, kind of forces them into going through Kami. And you really, on an iPad, you're going to be working on this the exact same way. So as a student, all I have to do is I open up my assignment that Mr. Hicks has done. And if it's just a regular assignment, not a Kami assignment, regular assignment, and he's just attached the PDF to it, I just open that PDF. And in the top right, you see the little pencil up here on my iPad? It's right up here in the top right beside the magnifying glass. I click on that pencil, and it pulls up the markup capability of an iPad. So what this means is down here in the bottom, I have the ability to pick a pen. I can choose a color of my pen. I can choose how thick the pen is. I can also do markers and highlighters down here and add text. So if I tap on the text and I tap somewhere on the PDF, I can type something. If I want to mark it up, I can choose either a pen or a marker, and I can write on my PDF. And at the very top, I'm going to have a save button. So I click on save, and it saves that document. Now, it doesn't save the document that Mr. Hicks posted. What it does, if I go out of this, it gives a document under here down at the bottom. There's a Your Work section on my iPad. I click on the little arrow that's pointing up above Your Work, and then there's my edited Android use Google Drive files document Mr. Hicks posted, and that's the one I marked up. If I look at the one that he posted in there, the original one, it's not marked up. So I have to go down here to the Your Work to see the one that I saved over. For a Kami assignment that he has done, so that was a regular just Google Classroom assignment. For a Kami assignment, or an assignment where the teacher pushes out a copy of the PDF to each student, so when you go in and you attach it in Google Classroom and you say make a copy for each student, their work is automatically going to be down here in the Your Work section. So they hit the arrow to push up their work section, and it will have my name there. It will have the PDF. I click on that PDF, and I'm given the same tool. So I can choose this pencil in the top right, and if I want to work on something, write something, I can work out, if I'm practicing my letters. Terrible with writing with my finger, to do extremely good penmanship. So I've got this capability to save this PDF. Now the cool thing about this and the great thing about this is it saves over that version that Mr. Hicks gave me. So that edited Daniel Vanover penmanship, that's the one that I'm going to be able to turn in to him as my teacher. So I'm finished with that. I click on the turn in button, and I've just turned in that edited document that I used an iPad with. Now on Kami and on an actual laptop that has Kami installed on it, I'm going to be able to edit and do all that stuff through the Kami app. So everything's going to be editable through Kami rather than on my iPad. But if you're on an iPad and you need to be able to edit the assignment that your teacher has posted, you can just click on that PDF, click on the pen, and you can write on your screen and then save it there.